Look at Zoe.
Hot, hot.
How you doing, Zoe? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Back home.
Oh, you're going back home?
Yeah.
In the tractor?
Yeah.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Up. I'll be back. You're the body of you. Go back home.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Woohoo!
Me little wolf.
Oh, you got your little woof woof, and it's called
Yo.
Zoe. The Zoe dog. Woof woof.
Joey. My name Joey. Tita name Joey.
I got a dog named Zoe.
Oh yeah, my name Joey too.
Woohoo!
To Joey, 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 Vovo name Joey, to Abba, to Jeet name Joey, Vovo name Joey to a tap down me Tammy oh day Nana me Joey hub me oh Jackie me am dead me the mouth me am dead
Woohoo! You gonna get down? Huh? You should go on the other tractor. The other tractor. Can you get down okay?
No.
You need help?
You're too high.
Okay. Okay, now Zoe's on Papa Tom's tractor.
But Don?
Papa Tom. It's Papa Tom drove it to Uncle Bruce's house. This is Papa Tom's tractor. Mommy would love a tractor like this. With the big scoop. That would be awesome.
And old and yellow one. Middle and teal one.
Oh, there's another one? You want to go on another tractor?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in a third tractor. This one has like a forklift. It's called the robot. Ooh, windy, windy. Windy, windy. How are these windy girls doing?
Good. Oh, me open hearing.
Look at me.
Me open hearing.
My Uncle Bruce is growing a whole field of alfalfa. And then he's got a greenhouse right over here.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
Now, can you blow out the candles? All right.
Looks like one of the tricky ones.
Here's Emily. She's on the tractor.